Hi, listeners, and welcome to The Wild Scientist. I'm Max.
And I'm Katie. And we've got an interesting topic for you today. We're going to be talking about the first known child of a Denisovan and a Neandertal.
Fascinating stuff. A real Romeo and Juliet. When did this child live?
About 90,000 years ago. Fossil examinations show that she would have been 13 when she died.
And she lived in what is now known as modern-day Siberia and was laid to rest in the remote Altai mountain range, right?
Exactly.
So who were these brave interbreeders?
Well, her mother was Neandertal, and her father was a Denisovan. But this pairing wasn't so rare. Research is beginning to show that mating between Neanderthals and Denisovans was actually pretty common.
But how? Didn't Neanderthals usually live in western Eurasia, and Denisovans stayed closer to the east?
Well, yes, but Denisova 11 and other offspring of interbreeding show that the migration of Neanderthals eastward created the opportunity for a few chance encounters between the groups, resulting in fossils like Denisova 11.
Talk about fate, huh? Was it obvious from the fossil that she was of mixed ancestry?
By just looking at it, no. The mitochondrial DNA showed a Neanderthal mother, and the nuclear DNA showed a Denisovan father.
Wow, that's gotta be a surprise.
Absolutely. Even more surprising, the father, a Denisovan, showed some Neanderthal in his DNA. More evidence of Denisovan/Neanderthal coupling.
Amazing. Let's go see what other students on ISU's campus think of this discovery.
Hi, so what is your name and major?
I'm Josh Harris. I'm a political science major.
Awesome. So what's your reaction to learning about this child of a Neanderthal and Denisovan?
It's interesting because throughout my history courses and at least high school, I haven't taken many here at ISU, but at least in my history courses, I feel like we were told opposite things. So it's definitely a new, interesting perspective.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Hi there. What's your name and major?
Hey, my name is Preston. I'm a creative writing major and a conflict resolution minor.
So what's your reaction to this news or information about the child between a Denisovan and a Neanderthal?
So I'd never heard of the Denisovan before. I'd always thought that we just evolved directly from Neanderthals into Homo sapiens. So it was great to learn that there was a little bit more to our human backstory than what we originally thought.
Hi, what's your name and major?
My name is Bobby, and I am an acting major.
Awesome. So what is your reaction to learning this information about this child that was between a Denisovan and a Neanderthal?
I think it's super interesting. I mean, when we see graphics of evolution, like in in school, you just see it as this like really like linear type thing, but it kind of shows that it was a little more sporadic and jumped around a lot more than we think.
Yeah.
So breaking apart that notion is super cool.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Hi, what is your name and major?
Hi, my name's Sarah, and I am a theater design production major.
Awesome. So what is your reaction to this information about the child between a Neanderthal and a Denisovan?
It's interesting because I think my perspective might be a little bit different from others. I was raised going to a Catholic school, and so I actually never learned anything about evolution until I got to college. And when I did, I took a biology class, and I would still say I learned minimal, I guess, about the subject. So just learning more of anything is interesting, and I can't really speak on what I previously thought because I was not. Yeah,
absolutely. Interesting perspective. Thank you.
Wow. So why does this matter? I mean, neither Denisovans or Neanderthals are our direct ancestor. Who cares if they were getting busy?
Well, chances are if those two species were getting it on, Homo sapiens were probably getting in on the fun, too.
Can you blame them?
Ha! I guess not.
Well, thanks for listening. We hope you enjoyed this episode of The Wild Scientist.
Goodbye.